She still says you're.
Hi, we are a culturally diverse team within GAM of roughly 18 people, all of different nationalities and all of different backgrounds, and we consider cultural diversity.
Come closer. Thank you. We all share each other's ideas, hence my prompt to the video. We all come from different countries. My colleague who just spoke came from the country of Yorkshire, it was Richard. We promote diversity by learning about each other's cultures and sharing all the good things, particularly the food. I now pass you to my colleague Connie, who is from Groningen.
Yeah, I'm from Groningen, and I'm working for Rinus and his team. And it's a very diverse team. It's women and men, and they're all very kind and very nice. And I think it's working very good. So now I pass it to Leo.
We're gonna pass out 1 minute. Hi, I'm Lebo and I'm from South Africa.
And if you turn
as
the
you
camera
can
round,
see,
you'll get our
we're very diverse.
More of our teammates just coming. Turn round. There is Tim, who's from
There's
Vietnam.
other diverse people.
Yes,
Get them into our video.
Joining us.
Yeah, they're fine.
We'll take
Spice
pictures.
Girls.
Hello guys.
Okay, so tell us why you're such a diverse team.
You'll just have to watch our video.
As you can see.
We welcome people from everywhere, including these lovely people who just joined us. This is how we promote diversity in our team. End.
Welkom in Gouda, stad van de kaas. Ik ben hier bij Erasmus and we are talking about diversity.
Diversity is very important for Scottish people because we are different to everyone else, but we like everybody else because we're terribly friendly sometimes if we know you, and I even like Americans, and I even like French people, and I can put up with the Dutch.
Hello and welcome from Gouda. Diversity at work to me means respecting each other's beliefs.
Hi, bonjour, bienvenue à Gouda! Diversity for me means at least a baguette and a baguette, and then I can work with everyone. Yeah. So, thank you, Michelle.
Yeah, to me it's like French croissant with Dutch cheese.
This is awesome.
Combination of
Michelle.
cultures.
Croissant with haggis.
Yeah, with hot dog.
This is a minimum.
Hot dog, peanut butter.
Should be great today. So, but let's maybe ask to someone else. What is diversity for them? Michelle, you record?
Let's ask Erasmus.
Listen.
We're over a minute.
He's a bit silent.
So, we will keep you updated. See you soon.
It's okay, Michelle.
Hi, I'm Anne and I'm from England. I have an Irish mother and a Scottish father, so I'm diverse in itself and so is all of the team. And I think it's very important because if we have a diverse team, then we have different solutions to different situations and a different approach. I'll hand over to Laura.
Hello, I'm Laura Taylor from Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and I think diversity is important in our team because we're able to come up with new solutions and new ideas and share them amongst our team. Hand it over to Simon.
And I'm Simon. I grew up in Glasgow and now live in Edinburgh, and I think diversity is important because it allows you to acknowledge people with different viewpoints from your own, but their points are still valid and can sometimes even be better. I'll hand over to Toon.
Hey, Toon, Nederland. Ja, waarom is diversity zo belangrijk? Ja, het geeft iedereen een andere perspectief op bepaalde zaken. Je werkt met mensen uit de hele wereld en ja, dat brengt alleen maar benefits met zich mee, want iedereen is verschillend en iedereen heeft wat toe te voegen. Eind.
Okay, so what did you say?
Just basically say that.
Ja.